Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust headlights on a 1997 Ford F150 only way. Begin by parking 25 feet from a flat wall and setting normal tire pressure and load. Turn on the low beams and mark the light centers on the wall with tape. Open the hood, locate the horizontal and vertical adjusters behind the headlight housing, and gather a screwdriver and tape for precise alignment. Position the truck so the beam centers align with your tape marks and check each headlight individually. Use the vertical adjuster to raise or lower the cutoff line until it matches the horizontal tape mark. Make small turns and step back to observe changes from 10 to 25 feet away. Confirm both sides show similar height and cutoff shape, and tighten any adjustment fasteners if present to keep alignment stable over time. In this video, I will show how to adjust headlights on a 1997 Ford F150 only way. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long days in the shop or on a roadside tune. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With vertical aim set, focus on horizontal aim so you avoid blinding oncoming drivers. Use the horizontal adjuster to move the beams slightly to the right of center for right-hand traffic and to the left in left-hand traffic. Make small incremental turns and check both headlights for symmetry. After adjustments, take a short test drive on an unlit road to verify proper visibility and minimal glare, then fine-tune if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.